Hi, my name is Barish Pandar. I am the founder of Artemis Display. We are based in Hong Kong, Shenzhen, Dubai, and Turkey.
What do we see here?
We do see here P1.8 LED indoor display.
And this is what it is?
This is the parts, our module of the bigger screen, so you can see the details.
What is this?
This is the GOB LED screen, and this is the power supply and cables.
And what
inside.
is there?
The electronic circuits.
And it's just connect there?
Connectors, yeah, it's just plug and play for easy to maintenance, just like this.
Nice.
So when the screen broken, you can just easily replace it
Nice.
without holding. Just to take out the broken screen or damage.
What is this? Is this to a machine
Yeah.
to take it out?
Yeah, but now is without battery, but you can take out like this.
Nice.
And it's easy to maintenance.
What's the resolution?
Resolution is now 8K, or we can also adjust according to the size. 4K.
It's not 8K, this one, no?
This one is what's the resolution? It's around 3K now,
3K.
but we can adjust.
You can add more and more.
Yeah,
make it
we can
bigger.
add. Yeah, we can.
What is the biggest screen you make?
Limitless. There's no limit in terms of area, indoor, outdoor, and this is also same one, LED indoor screen P1.8 with GOB technology. By the way, we also have COB, the latest technology, in our catalog. We have, this is the LCD digital signage with capacitive touch screen, embedded Android main board. You can connect with Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable, and you can make your demonstration, video, or presentation.
All right. So who are your customers?
Mostly European customers or Middle Eastern. We are based in Hong Kong and Dubai. We can ship the goods from China, Dubai, or even we do have office in Turkey.
And what do you do in Turkey?
We are mostly doing import-export services and after-sales service for maintenance, because these screens are big, need to assemble, and after-sales and maintenance, long-term warranty. We have to take care of our customers.
Turkey is a big market for this also?
Yes, it's also big.
All right.